Automating content scheduling for 10 or more OnlyFans models in 2025 requires a highly structured, scalable, and secure system that integrates content workflows, personnel delegation, platform tools, and backup protocols. This is not a casual operation. It's a mini production studio and media distribution pipeline disguised as adult content management. Your first priority is infrastructure. You begin by centralizing your system through a robust content management platform, preferably Airtable, Notion, or a custom internal dashboard built for agency operations. Each model gets their own designated workspace or view. This should include key columns like model name, scheduled post date, media format, caption copy, pricing, if applicable, content types such as PPV, teaser, feed, or story, and status indicators like pending, scheduled, live, or needs revision. Include linked fields or file URLs connected to the model's personal Google Drive or Dropbox folder where media is uploaded. The goal is to build a visual pipeline, not just a spreadsheet. All data should flow into a calendar view that tracks every model's content rollout by day and week, and you should establish a minimum 2-week buffer of scheduled content for each creator to protect against delays, burnout, or sudden unavailability. This brings us to asset management. You'll create structured cloud storage for each model with folders organized by year, month, and category. A recommended structure is as follows: of content greater than model name greater than year greater than month greater than media type, e.g., photos, videos, PPV clips. Each file should follow a strict naming convention that includes the model's name, type of content, and date. For example, Lexi_bikini_photoset_20250710_set3. Organize folders further by theme, lighting, or outfit to make retrieval easier during scheduling. Once files are organized, the next layer is scripting captions, messages, and call to actions using content templates. Create dynamic templates in Airtable or Notion that include variable placeholders for personalized content such as model name, tease line, post type, and price. This allows your caption team or virtual assistants to plug in new content weekly without writing from scratch every time. Standardize the tone per model and ensure all content reflects their personality. Even if automation is doing the heavy lifting, create a message bank of 100 to 200 pre-approved captions that rotate seasonally, based on fan behavior analytics, time of day, or promotion cycles like discounted renewals, birthdays, theme drops, or referral incentives. Now that content and captions are handled, you move to actual scheduling. OnlyFans allows internal scheduling directly through its native interface, so part of your system must include a device or human operator scheduling posts within the creators of dashboard. For that, you build an SOP, standard operating procedure, for manual post entry. This includes a screen recording tutorial, time of day guidelines based on the model's time zone and engagement peak hours, and step-by-step formatting rules for file size, thumbnail selection, and caption placement. For enhanced automation, use browser automation tools such as UI, Vision, AutoHotkey, or Selenium to simulate human actions and schedule uploads. This is risky unless managed properly. Each automation tool should be tied to a dedicated device per model, or a secure virtual machine with a residential proxy. Shared IPs or public proxies are a red flag and could trigger account locks. Build automation workflows that account for two-factor authentication, session refreshes, and logout issues. In parallel, you must develop a trained team of virtual assistants. Each VA should manage 2 to 3 models and be trained in file management, caption placement, post scheduling, and basic chat reply management. Assign roles carefully: content organizer, caption writer, scheduler, and quality assurance reviewer. Use Slack or Discord to coordinate your team. Integrate Zapier to send automated checklists, content approval alerts, and task deadlines. For example, when a model uploads new content to a Drive folder, Zapier alerts the assigned VA to process the content, generate captions, and queue the post. Use Trello or ClickUp as a task board where each model has a task card for the week that moves from the schedule to live. Layer on a weekly workflow system. Every Monday, collect and organize content. Tuesday, write captions and assign post types. Wednesday, do internal reviews and final checks. Thursday, enter all content into scheduling. Friday, confirm everything is live and prepare analytics. Saturday and Sunday are reserved for data audit and emergency scheduling. This weekly cycle must run on autopilot. Now, analytics. Integrate data collection either manually through screenshots or via tools like Oath Metrics, Whale Reports, or your own internal spreadsheets. Track open rates, PPV conversions, revenue per post, unsubscribes, fan retention, and top fan interactions. This data must inform your scheduling decisions. For example, if PPV content performs better at 9 p.m. on Thursdays, make that a fixed rule in your template. If subscription renewals peak on the 28th of each month, Make sure teaser content builds anticipation the week prior. Every scheduling decision must be backed by performance data. Next, create an internal dashboard or shared Notion portal for each model. This gives the model visibility into their content calendar, upcoming posts, draft captions, and analytics. Build a simplified, read-only version where the creator can approve or comment on captions or switch post slots if needed. This boosts trust, accountability, and long-term retention. To handle scale, you must implement redundancy. Each model must have 2 to 3 weeks of evergreen content, photos or videos that can be posted at any time without relevance to season or current events. Keep a backup caption bank and pre-formatted teaser messages ready to go. If a creator misses a week of uploads, the system should auto-trigger a backup post set from the evergreen vault. Assign 1 VA per shift to monitor emergencies and post-time errors. Always keep a spare device and active login credentials in case the automation system fails or accounts lock. Legally, your operation must be protected. Each model must sign a management agreement that outlines content ownership, scheduling authority, communication boundaries, NDA terms, and platform representation rights. Every VA must sign NDAs and use secure logins for content access. Track who schedules what and when using audit logs in your internal dashboard. Once your system is functional, consider scaling with a custom-built internal tool. Use React or Vue for the front end, Node or Firebase for the back end, and integrate Google Cloud or AWS for media hosting. Build features like drag-and-drop scheduling, preview rendering, calendar filters by model or post type, and mobile responsiveness. Include permissions by role so only the model, manager, or VA can see specific elements. Add automated post warnings like content gaps, repeated captions, or expired files. This transforms your content operation into an actual SaaS-level platform. As a bonus, expand to handle Reddit, TikTok, and Instagram content scheduling. Use Metrical, Later, or Publer to manage model promo posts on external platforms that funnel traffic to of. Schedule Reddit posts with randomized timing and dynamic image rotations using automation scripts and private subreddit queues. For TikTok and IG Reels, create a vertical video library and schedule teaser clips with CTA overlays like check the link in my bio for the full set. Build campaigns that echo of content but comply with platform guidelines. Link each campaign to your content master calendar to keep all promos synchronized with platform drops. In terms of compliance, stay current with OnlyFans platform changes, terms of service updates, and community rule enforcement. Maintain one channel on Discord or Slack that posts updates from OF's official accounts or industry news feeds so your VAs and managers stay alert. Protect model reputations and content security by using watermarked files, encrypted backups, and secure upload forms. Use Google Forms or Jotform for model content submissions with metadata fields already built in. Once your 10-plus model operation is running smoothly, the key to long-term scale is predictable output, airtight organization, and consistent performance feedback. Do weekly reviews with each model to review stats, adjust tone or themes, and preview upcoming content. Measure every model's growth not only by income, but by fan retention, upsell rates, and cross-platform funnel performance. Use that data to optimize future content packs and scheduling frequency. Create model tiering, top earners, growth stage, and new talent, and customize schedules accordingly. High earners may get 3 posts per day, whereas new models may start with 1 post daily and 2 PPVs weekly. Keep your system flexible. Automate intelligently. Never automate fan interaction unless fully trained chatters are handling it through pre-approved message flows. Focus automation only on admin tasks, file management, scheduling, and data logging. Never compromise on authenticity or content personalization. That's what separates a successful agency from an overwhelmed one. By implementing this level of systematized scheduling infrastructure, you can easily manage and scale 10, 20, or even 50 OnlyFans models without burnout, without chaos, and with full creative control preserved for every model in your network.